Hi, this is Robert with Cat Computers, and I just wanted to say hi to everybody out there and give everyone an update. We are still open for business as usual with a few minor changes due to COVID-19. And presently, we're open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. on an appointment-only basis. But we are looking at expanding those hours over the weekend in the near future. At present, we are only doing curbside drop off and pickup through the back parking lot entrance, which is off Marietta. If you're in the back parking lot area, if you look for the door with the Cat Computers banner, but please call ahead to make an appointment first. And we've also been completely sanitizing any equipment that comes in or goes out. And for anyone that brings in equipment, we always come out with a mask and gloves on, both for our safety and especially for your safety during this unique time. Since the beginning of this year, we have been focusing our team on managed IT services for small and medium business. And we provide a complete network management solution, including proactive systems maintenance, help desk, and remote support. And we also specialize in virtual office environments for business. If you're looking for a way to stay in business during the pandemic, but you want to let your workers work from home, please give us a call, and we'll be happy to help out. We will also continue to provide computer repair, data recovery, and computer security services for both home users and small business. If you have a question or comment, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our office number is 314 646 1880, or you can also reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/cat computers. I hope everybody stays safe. Please wear a mask and hang in there. We're all in this together, and we'll pull through this. So we're here to help, and give us a call if there's anything we can do for you.